Welcome back to our channel. Wish you a fantastic new year. Thank you so much for supporting our videos last year. In this year, we remain focused on improving the quality of our content while bringing you ideas and trends that you won't find in mainstream media outlets. In today's video, I'll be sharing our metal price forecast for this year. Before we do that, let's take a look at our previous forecast and see how well we predicted last year's metal prices. Alright, the table here compares 2023 metal prices versus our predictions at the beginning of last year. We had predicted downward pressure on base metal prices, strong performance from gold and silver. We had also anticipated gold to surpass $2,000 per ounce last year. And as you can see from the table here, our predictions were relatively accurate. Base metals were down 19% on average, gold and silver were up 5% on average, zinc and nickel prices were very close to our estimates, while copper, gold and silver were higher by 8% on average. With that, let's take a look at our forecast for this year. We are anticipating a rally in metal prices in the first half of this year, driven by rate cuts by central banks. We are more bullish on gold and silver and anticipate gold to surpass $2,100 an ounce this year versus the current price of just over $2,000 an ounce. The reason why we are bullish on gold and silver is that we are expecting a rare situation of rate cuts and persistent inflation. In the second half of this year, we're expecting a pullback in metal prices, especially in base metals, driven by rising supply surpluses. We're expecting production of copper, zinc, and nickel to exceed demand this year. Overall, we're expecting higher average prices for gold and silver and lower average prices for base metals this year compared to last year. As for EV metals like lithium, cobalt, and graphite, we expect prices to remain under pressure, driven by slower global GDP growth and rising supply. That said, we remain positive on EV metal stocks because larger miners, battery manufacturers, EV manufacturers are actively seeking long-term stable sources of EV metals. Bottom line, we expect gold and EV metal stocks to remain the hottest sectors for M&A deals this year. That's what I have for you today. If you like our content, we need your support, so please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you next week with more ideas.